Hey guys, so today we're going to talk a little bit about value, light and dark values. So white is on one side and black is on the other, and all of those values are shades in between of the light gray, dark gray, even darker gray, and then finally black. That would be a value scale. So we're going to first do a value scale, and then we're going to shade in our octopus. So here we have our value scale, and it asks us to start with black and end with white. So I'm going to just take my colored pencil. I have a black colored pencil to make it a little bit easier to get that color out. You can also do this with a pencil at home. It does work better with a colored pencil or pencil though. And on one side I'm just going to do it very, very dark and try to get that color as dark as I can for about an inch, and then I'm going to make it slightly lighter and make this medium gray, and then I'm going to keep on making it a little lighter until finally there's nothing at all, just like that. And I made this a little bit too light over here, so I think I'm going to go back and add that, make that a little light. But there you have it for the most part. So you have the black at one end, white at the other. Now for our octopus, what we want to try to do is get that color variation. So I'm going to start with his head. And on this side of the head, I'm going to make it a little bit darker, and this side, I'm not going to add any of my pencil, so I'm going to make that side white. And I'm just going to add right in here and just give it a little bit of dark shadow in here. And then I'm going to slowly make it a little bit lighter. Just like so. So now I have a color variation right here. Now it's very important that when you have your next section over here, I want to leave this section white now, because I don't want that dark color to interfere with my light color. So I'm going to leave this white, and I'm probably going to add down here a little bit of that dark color variation, like so. But I'm going to leave the top part white. Now I could do the opposite on the other side. So I can make this a little bit darker. Just like so. So now you see the color variation of the dark eyelid against the white head. We're not really focusing on a light source at this time. What we're just trying to do is sort of get a little bit of the roundness of all of the body parts the octopus has, and just sort of show that there is some like 3D-ness to the shape. So now I'm going to start with this tentacle right here. I'm going to make it dark on this one side. I know with a lot of these tentacles it's hard to make one completely dark and one darker, one lighter, but just try your best. So if I make this side of the tentacle the black, and then I have some gray in between, and then I'm going to make this lighter. Now for inside here, I might want to make over here dark, like so, and I might have just this side be dark like so, because I still want some of that color variety. But I can even jazz it up and put some dark over here. So it doesn't always have to be continuously all black on one side and all white on the other, because you are just sort of playing with the value. Like so. Alright, so I've already done the head for you and 2 tentacles. I want you to try out the rest of them at home. Remember, a colored pencil or a black colored pencil or just a pencil would be the best to do this in value. Alright guys, good luck. Can't wait to see it.